Previously, we made a video on how to change back to the old right-click menu in Windows 11 using a simple method that involves adding a new key to the registry editor. However, if you don't want to manually edit the registry, I've created a PowerShell script to automate the process. What you need to do is save this script in a file with a .ps1 extension and run it as administrator. Start by opening Windows Terminal as administrator. Now we'll create the PowerShell script using the Notepad command. I'll save the script in the Documents folder and name it old right-click menu.ps1. Before executing the script, we need to change the PowerShell execution policy to one that allows running scripts. Here we will bypass the execution policy just for this session. Now let's run the script. The script has run without any issues, and all that's left to do is restart the computer. Right now, this computer has the new right-click menu. After the restart, it will have the old-style right-click menu. Behind the scene, the PowerShell script adds this key under HKey Current User, Software, Classes, CLSAD. If you want to switch back to the new right-click menu, simply delete this key and restart the computer.